Hi, my name is Chandra Brown, and I am the founder and director of the Missoula-based Freeflow Institute, where we take creative people outside to study their craft and be closer to the ecosystems that compel our adventures and our stories. And we're out here on the Main Salmon River in Idaho on a writing workshop that celebrates and acknowledges salmon as markers of ecological and historical and literary connectivity. And the thing that I want to say about salmon in this moment right now is that it's not just here in the Pacific Northwest, it's not just anglers who are affected in this region or indigenous groups that are affected in this region, but it's also all over, including in my home state of Alaska. Here's a picture of me and my dad that I carry with me on the river fishing up in Alaska when I was so little. And also, you know, as far away as Japan, salmon are important and critical culturally, economically, ecologically, and also in our stories that we tell and that we hope to tell future generations. So as we continue to define and develop the narrative around salmon and around how we choose to support their recovery or not, it's critical that we seek vetted, reliable information from credible sources, and that we integrate that reliable information into our narratives, and that we continue to celebrate the magic and the lore and the legend around this incredible animal and everything they represent. And we got to remove those 4 lower Snake River dams. Thank you.